Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money from Binance to your Pocket Option account. First of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option account, and once you are logged in, you need to click Top Up in the top right corner. Then you need to select Tether USDT TRC20 as a payment method and choose the amount you are going to pay. Then click Continue and Pay. And right here you need to click again continue and pay if everything is correct, and you need to copy this wallet address. Now let's go to the Binance. When you go to the Binance, make sure that you have got available 100 USDT, and you need to go to your spot account where you have your balance, guys. So let's go to the spot account right here. You need to find USDT from your crypto list, and you need to click these three dots and go to the withdraw. Right here you need to paste the wallet address we just copied from Pocket Option, and you need to select the network. This is TRC20 network, and you need to select the exact amount, guys, you are depositing. So in this case we are depositing $100 and we need to enter $100, but as you can see the fee is $1, so that means we need to enter $101, and we will send exactly 100 to Pocket Option, and the fee will be $1, guys. So if everything is correct, you need to click the withdraw button right here, confirm the transaction, and you will send your crypto to your Pocket Option account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.